everyone, this is Ambika Bhargav from Dr. MPS World School. Welcome to our first day of summer camp. This is the activity of social skills where you are going to develop many of your skills and you can achieve many things from these skills. And so here I am going to give you some of the dignified ways through which you can impress someone, which is very important in everyone's life and everywhere, at school, at home, at office, in office, and everywhere. So first thing is respect everyone. We in our usual life forget to give respect to some of the peoples who are very important in our life. Every human being deserves respect. Shower your respect on everyone, irrespectively of who they are. Maybe he is a sweeper, or maybe your mom, or anyone. So, respect everyone. Here is tip number 2: greet others with a smile, which is very important. It makes someone's day, right? Make it a point to smile more often, and you could realize your warmth being reciprocate in no uncertain terms. And if you smile, you do feel good on smile with your smiling face. Tip number 3: adopt a friendly tone. Say please and thank you more often than you actually do. We usually do these things, but we sometimes forget to say thank you and please, which are very common words. Using a general dose of these two phrases can indeed go a long way in cementing your relationship with others, which gives you someone's motivation, and it also gives a friendly tone to someone else. Tip number 4, that is compliment others, which is again a most important thing. We uh, we like to say something, but somehow we think it's a very common thing and a very general thing in which we need not to give a compliment. So compliment others. Whenever you come across someone who deserves a pat on his or her back, go ahead and shower your compliments on them. Maybe he or she may be your sister, a younger sister, a elder sister, or anyone you can pat or give the compliment to whom you like. The next one is, so make others feel happy. Don't hesitate to go the extra mile in making others feel good about themselves, right? You may make someone feel special by saying, by giving the compliment, and by adopting a friendly tone. You can help others if you can. Never say, or never shy away from lending a helping hands to someone in need. If you help someone, you are definitely going to get something good compliment, or you are going to feel happy about these things. So don't sit at home. Try to improve try to improve yourself, analyze yourself, and go through these points today and think over it, where you are lacking behind, where you can improve yourself. So write down your points where you are lacking behind. Come across some of the points where you can make up your things, and where you can improve your relationship with others, and where you can adopt a friendly tone. So write it down in a note where you can develop yourself. Thank you, and stay positive.